Hi, this is how you import Hamaka products to your 3D Cart online store manager. After you have created an username and password, or if you have existing 3D Cart online store manager, you can add up your Hamaka products. First, you go to your media or your hamaka.co.uk/information downloads, or you can find it here and Media downloads. Go down in a bit, 3D cart, click on download, save it to your file. Next is you go back to your 3D cart, click on products, export, import. On the import section, you go to products and choose your file. Click on import data. You can choose insert plus update, or can also insert only. Wait for it to download. Close this window. Go back to your products, view and edit, and there you go. There are your products of Hamaka. You can click on one item. You can see that here are all your details. You can also edit your categories in here. You can also see your images. You click this link, you can see the images. Also, you can change the currency that the 3D card has made. So go to General, go to Store Settings. Make sure that you have chosen the right currency. And go down and save the changes. That's it. So ready to go. Thank you.